Looking for a quick and easy snack recipe for your kids? How about sweet French toast? It's simple, delicious, and packed with nutrients to keep them going through their busy days. Here's how to whip it up. Start by grabbing a bowl and mixing in milk, an egg, powdered brown sugar, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and, if you fancy, a bit of saffron. This blend gives the toast its sweet aromatic flavor that kids absolutely love. Next, take slices of bread and immerse them in the mixture. Give them a moment to soak up all the goodness. This is where the bread transforms into a delightful custardy treat. Now, it's time to bring some heat. Melt a bit of butter in a pan. Once it's sizzling, add the soaked bread slices. Fry them on both sides until they turn a lovely golden brown. The result? A nice crispy exterior with a soft sweet interior. To finish off, serve the toast with a generous drizzle of maple syrup. This adds an extra layer of sweetness that makes this snack irresistible. And there you have it, sweet French toast. It's more than just a tasty treat, it's a balanced snack. With carbohydrates from the bread, protein from the egg, and that touch of sweetness from the sugar and syrup, it's a snack that fills them up and keeps them energized. Plus, the addition of cinnamon and saffron brings in a dash of unique flavor and a host of health benefits. So give this recipe a try. It's a surefire way to bring a smile to your kids' faces. Happy cooking!